Welcome to Virtual Desk Solution, where we teach basic computer classes. If you're new to computers and you're just getting started, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you simple practices of how to create a file and also how to save it on your computer. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to right-click on your mouse. Once you right click, you'll see a drop down menu and then take your mouse, your cursor, to the new section, then move to folder. Once you click folder, a new folder is created, then you can rename it according to how you want to name it. For my case, I'll name it practice exercises. These exercises. Then you click enter. Once you click enter, you can see our folder has been created. To open this folder, you double click. And for our case, we do not have anything in our folder. It's an empty folder. Now, what I'm going to show you is how to create a Word document file and how to save it in our folder. To create a Word document, you need to come to this section, the Windows Start icon. Click, then you'll see a drop down with different functionalities. Then you can type in Word. Once you click Word, you come there and you double click. And as you can see, it has opened another browser, and then you can click blank document. Once you click blank document, you can type in anything. For my case, I'm going to type in alphabets. For example, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z, and so on and so forth. Once you're done with typing in your everything, you can press enter button. The enter button is usually named on the keyboard and you can be able to see it. Then you click enter. And as you can see, once I click enter, it has moved us to the next sentence. My next sentence, I can type in words, different words. I'll type in cat, then space, type in another word. And to space, you need to click the space bar button on your keyboard so that it can separate words. Then type in space cow, space horse, and so on and so forth. Once you're done, you click enter. Now I want to type in sentence, and the sentence that I'm going to type in, for my case, I'm going to type in I am learning computer studies. So far, so good. Then full stop. That is a sentence. If you want to type in another sentence, I am studying computer studies. So far, so good. Yes, that's okay. Okay. What happens? Microsoft Word usually is able to correct whenever it sees mistakes. And for this case, it has given me an option rather than using learning. It has given me studying. That's why I have just selected. Then you can, once you're done with typing in your sentence, you can click enter. Continue with writing a different sentence. I will be going to school today. full stop. My dad will get me a car, full stop, enter. That's exactly how you're supposed to key in or to type in your document. You can continue to do more practice so that you can be able to familiarize yourself with the typing skills and also moving your cursor. Once you're done, you can save your file. And to save your file, you come here, File. And before we save, I need to show you different functionalities of a Word document. A Word document has you can change your formats. For this case, I want to bold this, and to bold these documents, I can just click this B you see here. And as you can see, it has changed to bold. It has been bolded to dark black. To remove it, I'll select, you just left click your mouse and highlight, and then click B to remove the bolding. You can also underline a word or a whole sentence. For this case, maybe I can let me use bring. I can underline this by coming here and clicking this, and as you can see, it has been underlined. And to italize that word, I can just click here, and that's how you format your document. To change the font size or font type, you come here and you can select the type of font that you want your document to have, and you can as well change the sizing to whatever size you want. To highlight to change your font color, you just come here and you can change to whatever color you want. For my case, let me just choose this color. And sometimes you can even be able to text highlight to put an underlight in the fold in your document. As you can see, you can select any that. And in case you want to, let me just teach you the small things, not so that you don't get confused. As you practice more, as we go on, I'll be able to show you more functionalities of our document that you can use to uh to format your document. Let me show you how you can save your file. You come here, then you click Save As. Once you click Save As, you come to your PC. Our document is on the desktop, so we need to look for desktop and then look for practice test. Once we are there, you can decide to name your document as exercise or test, typing test, or whatever name that you want to name your file. My case, I'm going to name it typing test so that I can be able to track it whenever I want it. I want to track it. Kindly note that you need to track your document, to name your document in the right way so that you can be able to find it whenever you need it. Then click save. Once you click save, your file document will be saved in the folder that we created. For example, let me show you. In this folder, we have created a file in this folder and we have named it typing test. To open this, you just need to double click, and as you can see, the file is already saved here. Another way of opening your file, your folder, is by right clicking, then you come here and click open. Once you click open, it opens and you can be able to see your file document, and once you double click, it opens and you can proceed with where you stop. That's it for today. See you in the next video. Have a good day. Kindly consider subscribing to this video. Bye.